Hey there, welcome back to this playlist on Tosca 2024. So we have been discussing about all the new features which have been recently introduced into the latest version of Tosca. Now Tricentis has recently released a new version of Tosca which is 2024.2. Now this was released just in December, so it's pretty new, but there are some latest features which has been added into this latest version. So let's go ahead and look at some of the features which have been recently introduced into this particular version. So we are going to start off with a new module which has been added into the PDF engine, and this module is called Extract Links. Now, what we can do with this module is basically we can easily buffer or verify all the links in a PDF file. Now, the best part of this is we do not need to scan all the links individually in a PDF document and then go ahead and verify each of them. We can use this particular module which will automatically find and retrieve all the links within a PDF document. So let's go ahead and look at what this module is, what are the module attributes, and then how we can use this module to extract all the links in a PDF document, and then how we can actually go through all the links and also do some verifications. Now, before we start working on this module, we need to make sure that our Tosca is upgraded to the latest version, which is 2024.2. As you can see, my Tosca is already upgraded. And once you upgrade your Tosca, you cannot work in your existing workspace as it is. Like if you want to use the latest modules, then you need to use the standard subset which comes with the latest version of Tosca. So once you upgrade your Tosca, all your existing workspaces will not directly use the new subset which comes with the new version of Tosca. You need to make some changes into your workspace. Either you import and export the new subset from the latest Tosca folder, or the best and easy way is to create a new workspace which will use that latest subset. So let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to create a new workspace again. The process is similar, right? We select the type of repository. For this, it is single user workspace, and then we give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name called training underscore 2024. Okay. And then we will select the use workspace template if it is not selected. And then we will go to find the subset. It's generally under Tosca underscore projects and Tosca Commander, wherever you install it. And here we will find the standard.tsu. Now, with every upgrade, whenever Tosca is introducing new modules, this particular file is updated. Okay, and this comes with the package. When you install it, it is stored in your installation folders. So you always need to use the standard subset, which is updated with all the new versions, if you want to use the new modules. Otherwise, you will not be able to see it in your existing workspaces. So let's select this and let's create our new workspace. And then let's get into the workspace, and then we will check whether we are able to see this new module which we just discussed, right? So let's go to the modules section, and here under engines, and if you go into PDF engine, then you will see a new module which is extract links is present, and then it has got its own module attributes, right? So what are these module attributes? It is the PDF file, which is the full path of the file, including the file name and extension. And then there is the indexes. Now this is an optional attribute, but if you want to specify which links you want to buffer, and there could be many links in your PDF document, right? So you don't want to buffer each one of them. So you can specify the index of some specific links which you want to buffer in this particular attribute. And then this is the attribute where you can define your links which you want to buffer. You need to use the ActionMode Buffer, and then the value could be just links. So these are all the module attributes which we want to use. So let's go ahead and let's go to the test cases section. Better we go into the project section so that we can have a clear view. And then we are going to close all but this. And here again, let's create another folder here. So we'll call this features. And inside this, I'm going to create a new test case now, where I will say extract PDF links. Okay, so here again we'll add or search for the module which we have already seen. So it's called extract, and this is the extract links module. So we will add it here. We have talked about all the module attributes. So let's go ahead and look at an example. So this is the PDF file which I'll be referring to, and I want to basically store this all these links, okay, and iterate through them and then open it in a new page. So these are the links from this particular PDF document. So let's go to this PDF document and then we will see how we can do this. Okay, so this is the PDF. I'm going to copy that path and then I'm going to paste it here. Now, the indexes, well, as I said, it's an optional field. If I want, I can mention it. If I don't want, it's no need to mention it. But let's mention 1, 2, 3. And then in the links, okay, so we can give it any name. So for now, let's give it links. And by default, the action mode would be buffer. Okay, so what this will do is it will buffer all the links which are present in this particular index in this particular PDF file. Now, this is the first step where you will store all the links into a buffer. Now, what I also want to do is I want to iterate through all the links which are present in the document, and then I want to open them in a browser. Okay, so for that, what we will do is we will use a while statement. Okay, and then inside the condition, we are going to iterate through the links. So for this, we are going to use another interesting module, which is tbox iterate array. It's also a recently introduced module. Okay, so here you need to give the array to iterate and then the target buffer, right? So here we will say b of links. So this is the buffer name, okay? And here we need to give the target buffer, okay? So what I will say is I underscore links. Okay, so this is the target buffer. And then inside the loop, what we will do is we will use the open URL module, okay? And in this, then we will use a buffer, okay? So we'll say I underscore links. So that's our buffer, which will basically loop until it reaches that condition. So it will loop through all the links one by one, and it will open it in a web page, right? So that way, we can actually view what are the links which are in the PDF document, and then we can go ahead and also open that web page. We can also put some verifications after this step. So after you open the page, you can verify some element on that particular page. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this now and see whether we are able to extract all the links and then whether we are able to iterate through each of them and then also open these links in a web page. So let's go ahead and run this in the Scratchbook. Okay, so this was pretty fast, but if you noticed, then it has opened actually 3 links. which were present on this PDF document. So if I go here, you can see, so there was trascentis.com, there was support.trascentis.com, and then there was sampleapp.trascentis.com. So this is the sample app. So all three links which were present in the PDF document did open on the web page. So if we look at the logs, so here in the Scratchbook, if I go through the logs just to look at the buffer, so here you can see a buffer with name links has been set to all these three links. And in the while loop, I've got a couple of repetitions. So it will check the condition. If it is not, then it will execute whatever we have written inside the loop, which is to open the URL, right? So it will do it until it satisfies the particular condition, and that will be done in the fourth repetition. Okay. So that's how you can put some logic around this extract links module in order to not only buffer all the links from a PDF document, but also to iterate through them and then open those URLs. And then also you can continue your automation, which is to put some verifications or put some other actions which you want to perform on these web pages. That's all for this particular video. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.